At B&B Fabrication, everything starts with metal stock. This stock is usually clamped together and loaded onto a saw to be sawed. The saw we typically use is usually a horizontal band saw, a more industrial grade saw. Once the stock is cut, it is gathered together, being prepped to be loaded into the CNC mills which we use to produce parts. Depending on what is being produced, the machines will have a long or short code telling it how and what to cut on the machines. The machines actually use a large amount of coolant, and when I say a large amount, I mean gallons after gallons of coolant. When a part comes out of a machine, it is thoroughly checked to make sure that it falls within the tolerance given for that part. From there, a part will either get sent back to another machine for another process, or it will be sent to the deburring section of the shop, which is what I spend a lot of time doing. When parts are deburred, they're deburred using an X-Acto knife, or a radial blade, or a belt sander even, or just a bunch of different abrasive pneumatic tools. After parts have been deburred, a lot of the times customers will want a hand finish or some kind of finish on the part. It could be a matte type finish, and how we do this is we take usually a hand sander, give it a sanding finish, or we can throw it in. After a part has been deburred and finished, given a finish, and it's been checked over to make sure we got everything on the part that we needed to fix, if we did need to fix anything, what we typically do is we run it through a degreasing solution and scrub the part and rinse it to make sure we got any dust particles or any little fine particles that were still in the part off, so we can give a customer a very clean part. After the parts we've been working on have been cleaned, every part in that order gets taken over to the shipping section of our shop, and they get either placed in baggies or wrapped in bubble wrap or placed in the boxes, placed on a pallet. It just depends what kind of order it is, how big it is, how many. And typically what we do is we have a larger truck if it's a huge part, or we have like a small truck for more fuel economy if it's just a small box of parts for a local company. And that is what we do at Billy Boat Fabrication.